Take a ride in the 2016 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, power sunroof, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, floor mats, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.